Hey everybody, good day, Troy here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a new LeadsLeap review, a quick tutorial. Make sure that you watch this video through to the end, and if what I share with you makes sense, you get some value from it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now, I want to keep this as simple as possible. LeadsLeap is a traffic exchange that's been around for a very long time. You can either be a free member or you can be a pro level member. I always, 100% of the time, recommend becoming a pro member. I think the investment is like $27 a month, but for less than $1 a day, you can set your system up where you're promoting 10 ads 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And these active ads as a pro member allow me to not have to surf. I hate surfing. I don't have 2 or 3 hours every single day that I could click on all of these pro ads that are over here to earn 1 credit. And for every ad that I click on and that I watch, if I were a free member, I'm going to get 1 credit. So that means if I surf 10 ads, I get 10 credits. That means 10 chances for whatever link as a free member I choose to promote, whether it be network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct selling. I don't have time for that. And being honest, a lot of these traffic exchanges, there's so much information and they're so overly involved that it could get very discouraging. Over the years, I've come across some traffic exchanges that were just so over the top with information that I just clicked off the screen, never bothered joining them. And I like simplicity. I hope you feel the same. Now, pro member ads get rotated in the network 24 hours a day. You don't have to have any ad credits as you would need as a free member to get eyes on your traffic. And the very, very first thing that I want you guys to do, and this will help eliminate all of the explanation. See right over here, when you create your free account, you can click here, this tutorial button. Watch this tutorial so that you could learn all of the different things that you can do over here. For instance, you could learn about link trackers. You could learn about doing social reviews where you'll get more followers and more people paying attention to what you decide to review and talk about. You have an email marketing send speed system. I know a lot of people that use this, where you can connect, for instance, YouTube to broadcast your blogs. You can create an email series. You have a funnel builder in here. If you don't have a website funnel, you could create one using LeadsLeap. But my favorite, and you also have the ability to earn affiliate commissions. Please don't quote me. It's been a while. I think it's like 50% at the pro level membership. And check out these numbers. Right now, my total visits total 181,568 members clicked on my links to look at my ads. Look at the last 7 days. I had 1,580 visits to the 10 ads that I currently have in here, and you can always switch up your ads. There's no extra cost for that. Once you get used to doing this, it becomes very, very easy. And the thing that I want to stand out more than anything else, look, the biggest reason why 93% of people in the home business industry fail, and they don't get signups, they don't generate leads, they don't have reliable traffic, is just really preventing them from hitting those numbers that they want to hit. You want to make 8,000, 10,000 a month? You have got to make a decision to get more visible And I'll tell you right now, if you've got 15, 1600 every week of members clicking on your ads, you are going to build traction. You're going to build momentum. So you definitely want to be a pro member. If for no other reason, set it and forget it. Now, this is very, very important. The ads that get the most views, and I want you to keep this, in the back of your mind as I'm going over it. This is an advertising website. People come on here to advertise their businesses. So if you're promoting a typical network marketing company, and I don't have anything whatsoever against network marketing companies, but when you're advertising something like energy deregulation or insurance, that's not really what people are looking for. Now, I'm not saying that you won't get traffic and that you won't generate leads that convert into sales. What I am saying is, and tell me if this makes sense, if you're going to use an advertising site like LeadsLeap, wouldn't it make sense to have something of so much significant value to offer advertisers that will attract them enough to want to click on your links? Now, I'm telling you right now, that is key, right? So, giving you an example of how you can set up your ad. First of all, you always want to include an image. You can get royalty-free images right off of Google or, any site, Bing, Yahoo. There's free royalty images that you could use. The image itself should be 300 by 250. 300 by 250. You can even use Canva to create your images. And then I'm just going to show you how to edit your image. If you come over here, or edit your ad, right? So if I want to edit the ad, I'm just going to click on this button. All right. And then here's the ad. You put in your URL here. You want to use a catchy title. Now, again, remember what I said, ads that get the most views. If you have a free offer, like in this case, I'm offering a free demo that pays, right? This is attractive. And then in the ad text, and it'll tell you how many characters you could put in. 25 characters here, 60 characters in the ad. I just put promotes multiple opportunities and pays $100 over and over. Why would this interest somebody? It's because most people would love to be able to earn unlimited $100 and promote their current opportunities. That is huge. You come over here, click here to add or change your image, right? And then categories that best fit your ad. So if I come over here and I click on this, I have home business currently showing. You have affiliate marketing, advertising, cryptocurrency, internet marketing, health and fitness, list building, make money. I mean, you choose which ones you think are the best. Personally speaking, I like make money. I like affiliate marketing, home business, and advertising. Those are the ones that I recommend most. So at the time of me shooting this video, this is the ad that I've been promoting on here, or the program rather, for the last couple of weeks. And think about it. You're an advertiser. You're trying to build your email list. Everybody knows the money's in the list, right? So imagine this. This AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. You can promote up to 3 business opportunities. And what I love about this AI email assistant is that, number one, it takes like 5 minutes to go through the onboarding and to set it up. And all you need to do is include how you want to get paid. You can choose multiple different ways to get paid. I think they even take Bitcoin, however you want to get paid, you could add. And then you're going to list the 3 ads that you want, or the 3 opportunities rather, that you want to promote. And the system does the rest. What it actually does is, not only does it promote itself, and this particular opportunity is known as Simple Commissions Mailbot. Automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. You have a quick 3-minute video. This watch now big red button shares more information about it, and the product is known as Mailbot. So what I really like a lot about this is that you can actually get a free demo. Basically, you're going to send my Mailbot an email, and once you send that email, in the subject line, you're just going to put send info, and then you hit the send button. And about 45 seconds later, check your email inbox. Now, when I first started using this, this is a brand new program, just weeks old. I tested this thing. I wanted to make sure that it actually worked, because if I was going to promote it, if I was going to put my name behind it, then I wanted to make sure that people were going to get the results that they were looking for. Every single email that I tested, and I used a secondary email account, every single email that I tested hit the inbox. And if you think about the fact that 30 to 35% on average of emails end up in people's junk or spam folders, that's costing you a lot of money. Not to mention, you don't have to pay monthly fees through like Aweber or GetResponse or Senderlane. It just MailChimp. You don't have to do a monthly fee. When you get this system, you could use it. You could use it numerous times a day. It's highly, highly impressive. So if you want to see what it is that I'm doing, all you need to do after this video is go to the description below the video. You're going to be able to get your free demo. And if you want to join me in LeadsLeap and sign up, start out with your free account, you can go to my YouTube channel, click on my YouTube channel links, and look for the link regarding LeadsLeap. Look, if you got some value from this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I welcome you to do that. Once again, I'm Troy, and I hope you have a magnificent day. Take care.